Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the topic of whether grapes can spike sugar levels. This is a question that is particularly important for those with diabetes or those looking to lower their blood sugar levels. So let's dive right in and explore the relationship between grapes and blood sugar. Section 1. Understanding blood sugar spikes. Before we can discuss whether grapes spike sugar levels, it's important to understand what a blood sugar spike actually is. When we consume foods that are high in sugar or carbohydrates, our blood sugar levels can rise rapidly, causing a spike. This spike can lead to a variety of health issues, particularly for individuals with diabetes. Therefore, it's essential to be conscious of the foods we eat and their impact on our blood sugar levels. Section 2. The nutritional profile of grapes. Grapes are a popular fruit enjoyed by many, but what exactly is their nutritional profile? Grapes are a good source of vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. They also contain antioxidants, such as resveratrol, which has been linked to various health benefits. While grapes do contain natural sugars, they also have a low glycemic index, which means they are less likely to cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Section 3. The fiber content of grapes. One of the reasons why grapes are unlikely to spike blood sugar levels is their high fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in the digestion process, slowing down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. Grapes are particularly rich in soluble fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote a feeling of fullness. This makes grapes a good option for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. Section 4. The effect of portion size. While grapes are a healthy and nutritious fruit, it's essential to be mindful of portion sizes. Eating large quantities of grapes in one sitting can still lead to a spike in blood sugar levels, especially for individuals with diabetes. Therefore, it's important to practice portion control and enjoy grapes in moderation to avoid any adverse effects on blood sugar levels. Section 5. The benefits of eating grapes. Despite the concerns surrounding blood sugar spikes, there are numerous benefits to including grapes in your diet. Grapes are an excellent source of antioxidants, which can help protect against various diseases and promote overall health. They also contain phytonutrients that have anti-inflammatory properties, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Additionally, grapes are a convenient and tasty snack that can satisfy your sweet cravings without causing a significant spike in blood sugar levels. Section 6. Tips for incorporating grapes into your diet. If you're looking to enjoy the benefits of grapes without worrying about blood sugar spikes, here are a few tips to consider. First, consider pairing grapes with other foods that are high in protein or healthy fats to slow down the absorption of sugars. You can also opt for smaller grape varieties, such as seedless grapes or grape tomatoes, to control your portion sizes more effectively. Lastly, be conscious of your overall sugar intake throughout the day and balance it out with other nutritious foods to maintain stable blood sugar levels. In conclusion, grapes are a nutritious fruit that can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet without significantly spiking blood sugar levels. Their high fiber content, low glycemic index, and antioxidant properties make them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. By practicing portion control and being mindful of your overall sugar intake, you can confidently include grapes in your diet while still managing your blood sugar effectively. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on managing blood sugar and promoting overall health. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Until next time, take care and prioritize your health and well-being.